Hi, I'm Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage Doors, and today I want to talk about these new glass garage doors that Now, you may see them in restaurants, you may see them in homes, you may see them when you go to a restaurant, and it might just be a couple sections that goes up against a bar. It could be a glass door that goes out to a deck. There's a lot of different applications for these doors, and if you get creative, you can really find a great spot for this in your home. One of the applications I've had is going out to my deck. We busted a hole in the wall of my basement, and it goes out into the deck. So now it shows like I have this huge glass window, even when it's down. But when the weather's nice, we lift it up and you feel like you're outside. It kind of brings the indoors outside and the outside indoor. And so people are finding all these different applications for them. We can pick out different glass. We can shade it if you want. You can make it where somebody can't see in. You can tint it. Low E, all these different glasses. We got different frame colors. This just makes your house sparkle if you could find the right application for it. And again, a lot of times it could be just a regular garage door, but other times we are trying to do stuff in a boathouse or going out onto the deck, or it could be in your kitchen, and you could make this a kitchen window. And it's really cool. We powder coat all the tracks to match the trim inside of your home, if that's what you're doing, or inside of your garage, and everything matches. It's unbelievable what we can do. So if you're looking for the glass garage door, we're your company. We've done thousands of these. My name is Dan Watkins. Again, All Four Seasons Garage Doors. We want to hear from you today.